Having a working smoke detector in your home can save lives, but many people do not have them.
New Haven Fire Department teaming up with the American Red Cross to help get them into all the homes in the New Hallville section of the city. Smoke alarms being installed for those who need them. News 8's Jackie Slater has more tonight.
The smoke alarms, you have to replace them unless they're wired in. You have to replace them every 5 years or so.
Volunteers going door to door, hoping to save lives through education and preparedness. The American Red Cross is teaming up with the city of New Haven, installing smoke alarms in any home that needs them.
Our job today is to meet as many families as we can, install free smoke alarms if they're needed, replace batteries, prepare the family, whatever we need to do to hopefully help save some lives.
We're going to show them that there's a silence button and a test button.
More than 50 volunteers on hand today to help with the effort. New Haven's Fire Chief John Alston praises the Red Cross's Home Fire campaign, saying cities like this pose fire risks not seen in other areas.
We see a lot of fires, fast-moving fires in the city of New Haven because they're so close together. A lot of wooden structures, and the high wind is always a problem.
So the goal here in New Haven today is to install 500 of these smoke alarms. But the Red Cross says nationwide they hope to install 1 million by October.
The Red Cross estimates that each alarm installed will save one life. Nationwide, more than 3,000 people die each year in fires. Chief Alston says when an alarm goes off, people have 2 minutes to get it out of the house, and hopes today serves as a reminder to always have a fire plan in place.
We encourage people that when they activate, get out of the house, have a meeting place, call from another phone. Don't try to save the valuables that you believe that can't be replaced. You cannot replace a life.
Reporting in New Haven, Jackie Slater, News 8.